So this is the Module 3 Lesson 2 example of non-regular languages. Non-regular languages are languages that cannot be described by regular expressions or recognized by simple machines called finite automata. These languages need more powerful computational models to be recognized. So by using methods like pumping lemma and Myhill-Nerode theorem, we can prove whether a language is regular or not. So no last time, pinag-aralan natin ang pumping lemma, which is, for example, we have a string is equal to A, and B, B. So string is split into X, Y, and Z. So this is, the X is the start, Y is the middle, and B is the last one. So, pumping lemma, repeat Y, the middle part, more times. So if we remove Y, 1A remove. So, kapag ni-remove natin yung Y, pag-remove, magiging equal siya ng A, B, B. Then yung string A, B, B don't have an equal numbers. Kapag naman pinump natin siya, pump, mag-a-add siya. A, B, B. So, this is not an equal string. So, di ba kapag hindi siya equal, ibig sabihin, hindi siya language. Since removing or adding Y makes the string invalid, the language can't be regular. So, kapag ni-remove natin yung Y, hindi siya balance, not balance. And ganun din kapag pinump natin. So, ibig sabihin, kapag hindi balance, that is a non-regular language. Non-regular language. Kapag hindi siya balance. So, always remember na kapag hindi siya balance, that is an example of non-regular languages. Pero kapag balance siya, like this one, that is regular. While A, and B, B is non-regular.